How did your marriage end? My husband always told me he'd protect me no matter what. So when we were traveling through South Africa and heard that window smash, I looked to him to keep me safe. It was 2 a.m. and we could hear the voices of multiple people entering the house we were renting. We both knew exactly what was going on, and as it was clear we were being robbed, we were terrified. Luckily, we were armed, and as my husband jumped out of bed, I fully believed he'd do anything to protect me. However, what followed made me see him